We not problem. The world, we not problem. I don't know. Maybe the market straight this bullshit at all. Because I don't want everything to go digital, you know. So maybe they might get you like a teacher and replace them with computer. We don't know. But if they replace them with computer, who stand for benefit? Now the guy Bill Gates again. Now he want the patent for all computer software. Microsoft. So we just generate money for the rich and rich and rich and rich. And poor people just suffer, so. Which we not have no sense, man. I don't have no neither, you know. I don't want to think I have more sense down, you know. We just have common sense for looking at things. I choose most of the not taking the time for looking at nothing. We have to look in at it for now. And these are the roles of those who step up on the front line musically for uplift and educate the people and even put them life on the line. Because we didn't bury their life, so we know what it is to die 1,000 deaths.
I nah lie. I look out on Buju Banton before, enough time. But after Buju come out with this, I nah lie, I respect Buju. I like where Buju head there, you understand? Because him talk about the SSL and him also talk about more artists should have step up. And for those of you who follow my channel, who know how I feel about the artists them and them murder music and living at this damn crazy ass fantasy. With that said, let's go.
Our Minister of Finance, I tell the people at Jamaica, say a private company named SSL rob up and thief up how much money from people, like Usain Bolt and all them guys there. Them want the Jamaican people now to go back and pay this private company for the money them and them friend them invest and thief up and laugh up. So I want to know how long them will take Jamaican people for food for, and how long we not sit down and make them shit pound. We have to wake up, you know, because them people don't care about I and I. Yeah? Let's see it.
We pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a walk goes from the tear and the other face tough time.
That's all you know.
Just hold up your weight and nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say about the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success we feature. Life prison don't give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and clean and the dirty mind.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Listen, I'm gonna play this whole Buju Banton video. I wanna listen to what Buju is saying. Finally, you have an artist step up and talking what I need to hear. Now the other artists them and the other celebrities them in Jamaica, they need to do the same thing. Buju, I apologize for lick out by you, but you know, countryman, I'm gonna call you out. Anything you're doing, if I know it's fuckery, I'm gonna call it out. So I do apologize, but yo bro, you're doing a good job and my hats off to you. Now Sizzler and the rest of them should step up and do what needs to be done for Jamaica. Yo, with that said, I'm going to play the full Buju Banton video. But before I go, I want viewers and subscribers to hit the subscribe button. And not only that, stay tuned because I have an exclusive story coming out of St. Vincent. Boy, this one yeah, might have to make countryman runway. But I'm gonna drop the story and you guys are gonna be amazed what's going on in these little islands. I'm out. Watch the rest of the video.
If I wake up here, them abuse you have to stop. I don't know if it's an attempt for wake we up, for make us say we are fool. But if we not try so, if we not buy for some fool, the store we not buy from, we not going to have to go bring we back. Because that fool that we not buy no good. Yeah? We not buy a sensible man and think it was a fool. We have to carry it back to the store. Lord God Almighty, if I talk, I weak. But remember, we have to reap what we sow, you know. All man have to reap what them sow. So if you sow good, you reap good. If you sow wickedness, you reap wickedness. If you sow righteousness, you reap righteousness. You're not getting no better than that. You see, people them need economic freedom, they need political freedom, they need all kind of freedom. This man have 400 teachers slated to resign from the tertiary level in Jamaica. So, who the dunce already I got dunce now? I know them I got mad. But this shit you have to stop. This bullshit you have to stop. We need real freedom and this social free justice. You see, I see a rob and I take down the people them, what them call them, I bury them and them thing there. I don't even know if it's something good or something bad, but I see a movement in play. Like it look well organized, like it all orchestrated. You can't say, well, for the man who guard them people their money they ensure, protect on their life. You know, maybe it's a sinister plot as well. So we don't know. But at the end of the day, my people, stay vigilant, no man, and I could get up and lace up a boot. Can't take this no more, you know.
Artists, if you want your music video or your music to be played and highlight on Jamaica First, Country First, give me a call at that number. You can link me up via WhatsApp. Text is easier for me to answer. Now, like I said, there will be a small donation. And when I say a small donation, I mean a small donation of $50. Now, if an artist cannot find $50 to promote his music, he shouldn't be in the music business, him or his producer or whatever. Go plant yam and banana and dasheen and pumpkin and leave the music business alone. So once again, like I say, a small donation of $50 will get your video highlighted and played for the whole day on Jamaica First, Country First. And let me say it again, if you have an artist, say he's doing music and wants to get promotion and wants people to know about the song and the artist, if you cannot find $50, you are in the wrong business. Okay, go plant yam and banana and dasheen, and that's what Countryman is telling y'all.
I want to know this SSL there. I want to see this building for myself to rascal. I don't even know where SSL there. I want to see it for myself. To see them location. I want to know why we have to pay them back this money when them never donate to no charity. I have two charities who have to pay $14 million a month, so this government can investigate. Now what kind of investigation that costs $14 million to $15 million a month? But the rotted backside is Jamaican people. We're not problem. We're not deep shit. We don't smell it. I love you now. I don't stay with you too long. I'm not come for riding up. I come for what more no yai. You understand? The Jamaican future must be determined by good Jamaicans, firm Jamaicans. The future of this nation is at hand. And it's been squandered and our resources are being plundered and the wealth of this nation is being misappropriated. And the people of this nation are suffering immensely and crime is on the rise and it's so terrible. And those who sit at the top Them have the most bodyguard. Them surround themselves with the most guns. Them surround themselves with the most of everything. They're the common man. Still, from 1970s, the change. What people are making think road a change. We're supposed to have a road from 1980, 1990, 2000. We're supposed to have good road from all them time there. Because a long time Jamaica people are suffer. I just want people, set of people live good in the island and the rest of it, I back shit out and hog mouth. Nobody no one talk. Why? The private sector, the school, the teacher, the police. You know? So we need great people to stand up and make them voice be heard. And stop being reactive. And stop thief the resources of this great nation. We have had enough of criminal politicians. We have had enough of people enriching themselves from this great nation while the people live in abject squalor. You understand me? We have had enough. We have had enough of you placing officers on the road to fleece the common man of them hard-earned money through to traffic stop, but you're not paying them a dime. You're not increasing them pay. We have had enough, bro. You know, I now come disparage and cuss and go on, you know, because that is what they want. But let's have a decent conversation that concern the future of this great nation and where we should be and where we are at. You know? Because we're stagnant. And we don't want to make no improvement as a people. We're happy, we talk about things only for a minute and then we turn around and we're back to where we were, even further. You know? We're surrounded by enemies of progress, my people. And until we realize that we are surrounded by enemies of progress, we shall always be surrounded by enemies of progress. Wake up, Jamaica. Wake up.